If blood clot chronic la.
Can't study me. Me know what the party I want, but me nah go for real.
Yeah. Go on mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. Me no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone is doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Alright, so popular podcast YouTuber Jaii Frais hosted an event.
Promoter want talk.
Listen, dancehall attack. I just saw the thing go on a soca party.
Featuring top dancehall entertainers such as Chronicler and Valiant. However, prior to the event, various social media influencers expressed discontent upon learning about Lawboss slated performance, citing concerns over Jaii Frais comments and beliefs, particularly regarding remarks allegedly made by Jaii Frais hinting at certain bedroom preferences. This sparked an unease within some people, right? Because it does not reflect Jamaica's societal norms and cultural practices, even though there's a shifting landscape where certain attitudes are evolving even within the music industry. So basically, Chronicler did not take the stage, prompting a sense of relief among these same people who voiced their reservations. And ironically, many praise Chronicler for his reluctance to not perform, unaware that his absence was due to unforeseen circumstances.
Them say Lawboss can't perform, I just say it go. It done.
Such as police intervention, which left Jaii Frais disappointed because typically soca parties go on and goes for longer, and you have a dancehall party and them decide to shut it off. Also, speculation arose regarding Valiant's potential performance and its impact on his career trajectory, which makes things even worse because Valiant was actually present at the party. So if you guys saw the video where Pretty Dan was saying, oh, if Chronicler perform at the party, if Valiant perform at the party, this, that, and the third, check out the video.
Fucking Valiant did come at your party last night. Everybody put them in the aquarium. Nobody now risk their career.
Alright, so Pretty Dan is free to say what she wants to say, right? Because, you know, that is Pretty Dan. But my opinion is the way our Jamaican people set up and the way our Jamaican people do things is that Jamaican people will give you their support now, and they will also give you their support based on their personal way of life and their perception. You see me? And then tomorrow, they will turn them back on you. That is how Jamaican people stay, and them just have to please sometime. I may also just want to say big up to Jaii Frais for buying a new Benz. Congratulations to Jaii Frais. You see me, every ghetto youth is a star, and just go and do it. You see me, go and drop the video them and do the interview with the artists them on your podcast and all these other things. Just go and do it, and don't let them stop your youth. You see me, don't let them stop you, just continue doing it. See him so.
If blood clot chronic la fucking Valiant did come at your party last night. Everybody put them in the aquarium. Nobody now risk their career.
Yeah, this is speak up us when come up. Ready?